I'm going shopping today. I'm going shopping today. I stopped by a clothing store. I stopped by a clothing store. Wow, this jacket feels so soft. Wow, this jacket feels so soft. I pick up a blue shirt. I pick up a blue shirt. I also want to get new shoes. I also want to get new shoes. The store looks pretty big. The store looks pretty big. There are tons of clothes inside. There are tons of clothes inside. I see a shoe store nearby. I see a shoe store nearby. Do you have a tester? Do you have a tester? A staff member greets me. A staff member greets me. The place is bright and clean. The place is bright and clean. Wow, that diamond ring is sparkling. Wow, that diamond ring is sparkling. I look around for a bit. I look around for a bit. There are a lot of people shopping. There are a lot of people shopping. I check out the women's section. I check out the women's section. I head to the clothing section. I head to the clothing section. I start picking a few things. I start picking a few things. I'm looking for some new clothes. I'm looking for some new clothes. I walk over to the men's section. I walk over to the men's section. I spot some t-shirts on the shelf. I spot some t-shirts on the shelf. They look really nice. They look really nice. I like the color a lot. I like the color a lot. The fabric feels soft. The fabric feels soft. I want to try this outfit. I want to try this outfit. I grab a shopping basket. I grab a shopping basket. It looks really cute. It looks really cute. This one's a bit too small for me. This one's a bit too small for me. The jacket feels warm. The jacket feels warm. I usually wear a size M. I usually wear a size M. The jeans are too tight. The jeans are too tight. Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a smaller size? I want to try that one. I want to try that one. I find a plain yellow t-shirt. I find a plain yellow t-shirt. Can I try this on? Can I try this on? I'm looking for something comfy. I'm looking for something comfy. Do you have this in size L? Do you have this in size L? I need a bigger size. I need a bigger size. Where's the fitting room? Where's the fitting room? I grab a pair of jeans. I grab a pair of jeans. This shirt fits me well. This shirt fits me well. They look pretty trendy. They look pretty trendy. I like simple styles. I like simple styles. What size is this shirt? What size is this shirt? That one looks too big. That one looks too big. Can you help me find my size? Can you help me find my size? I'll go try it on. I'll go try it on. The dress is too long. The dress is too long. Let me try this outfit on. Let me try this outfit on. These shoes feel small. These shoes feel small. The color looks good on me. The color looks good on me. It's easy to move in. It's easy to move in. It's really comfortable. It's really comfortable. I think I'll take it. I think I'll take it. How much is this? How much is this? How much are this dress? How much are this dress? Is this on sale? Is this on sale? Do you have any discounts today? Do you have any discounts today? I'll get these diamond earrings. I'll get these diamond earrings. That's a bit expensive for me. That's a bit expensive for me. That's actually cheaper than I thought. That's actually cheaper than I thought. Let me load these groceries into the trunk. Let me load these groceries into the trunk. I get my receipt. I get my receipt. That's a good deal. That's a good deal. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Which one should I get? Which one should I get? I'll take this vinyl record. I'll take this vinyl record. Do these glasses look good on my kid? Do these glasses look good on my kid? The cashier scans the items. The cashier scans the items. I'll buy 2 of these. I'll buy 2 of these. Is there a discount if I buy 2? Is there a discount if I buy 2? I'll go with this one. I'll go with this one. Do you take Visa or MasterCard? Do you take Visa or MasterCard? I head to the cashier. I head to the cashier. I put everything in my basket. I put everything in my basket. Can I use my discount card? Can I use my discount card? I'll pay by card. I'll pay by card. Are these vegetables fresh? Are these vegetables fresh? I'll take this ring. I'll take this ring. Let me smell this one. Let me smell this one. I'm ready to check out. I'm ready to check out. I'll grab some tet decorations. I'll grab some tet decorations. I'll grab some flowers. I'll grab some flowers. I walk out of the store. I walk out of the store. Wow, I bought way too much stuff today. Wow, I bought way too much stuff today. This jewelry store is gorgeous. This jewelry store is gorgeous. I'll pick up some vitamins, too. I'll pick up some vitamins, too. Let me check the bread real quick. Let me check the bread real quick. I'll put my card back in my wallet. I'll put my card back in my wallet. There are so many colorful shoes here. There are so many colorful shoes here. This line is taking forever. This line is taking forever.